Hello students, what we are going to discuss today is visualizing the nation. We have completed our tour 90%. We have completed our tour the rise of nationalism in Europe 90%. Right, and only 10% is left, and our fifth unit, that is visualizing the nation. We have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of revolutions, revolutions of Germany, revolution of Italy, unification of Britain, and many more. Prussia, Austria, many other places. And what is there? Visualizing the nation. And we have mentioned many times nation states, how the how create the image of nation in the mind of people, how people will visualize the nation, how people will see the nation, how they will come to know that what is nation. This we are going to discuss in this unit 5, that is visualizing the nation. As if I will ask from you, what is India, then what will comes in your mind? The map of India or the image of a Bharat Mata? Right, I think so this thing will be come in your mind. Is Narendra Modi coming in your mind if I am asking about the India, or is any other person coming into your mind? I think so, no. Simple thing, the maybe Bharat Mata or maybe the map of India. So first question, how to face to the nation. Face to the nation. Face to the nation means to give the nation the personification of a nation. Personification of a nation. Representing the nation as if it was or it is a person. Personification means the thing that is not really exist or that exists, but we have given it a face. We have given it a face. Right, that is known as a personification. मानवीयकरण करना, किसी निर्जीव वस्तु का मानवीयकरण करना, that is personification. Right, personification of a nation, representing the nation as a person. Now we are representing a nation as a person. Like we are saying Bharat Mata, we are making or we are giving the image to Bharat as a Mata. Allegory. That is known as a allegory. Let's see what is allegory. Abstract idea. An abstract idea describes through female figure, that is a allegory. An idea that gives the female figure to the thing that is not really exist. An idea that gives the face to the thing, gives the female face or figure to the thing that is not really exist, that is not known as a Bharat Mata. Is Bharat Mata really exist? But no. But we have given a face so that people can unite under one umbrella. So that people can unite under one umbrella. Right. So it was there in French Revolution, symbols representing ideas. Symbols were there, like you have seen red cap and many more things were there. Red cap and bundles of rods or faces, the eye within a triangle, radiant light, blue, white, red, the winged women, the La tablet, and the scripture. Many things were used in the French Revolution. Why? So that people could unite themselves and they feel that they belongs to the one nation. Right. So in this we have read about two things, two countries. Number one France and number two Germany. And these statues like in France, it was known as the Christian Marine. What was their ideas of people's nation? Christian Marini means if they were watching that statues are there in France of Christian Marini, right? It means the idea of a people's nation. This nation is for the people, right? These ideals were represented through specific objects or symbols, like the idea of nation, like it was represented by the Christian Marini, and exhibits the idea of liberty and republic. It shows the idea of that we are we are free and republic. That shows that allegory shows that the statue shows that the France statue, it is showing that in France people is free and republic. It is a national symbol. Her image, it becomes the national symbol, and her images were marked on the coins and stamps, right? Her images were marked on the coins and stamps. The France statue, that is a France freedom figure, that is Christian Marini, and Germany, it is known as Germany. Germany, it is known as Germania. Sorry, it is known as Germania. In representation, she wears a crown of oak leaves. What is there? When you will see the image 17, figure 17 of your book, then what is there? She wears a crown of oak leaves, and oak stands for heroism, and oak leaves in German, oak leaves stands for heroism. So this was their visualizing the nation. Visualizing the nation means makes the nation in the personification of the nation. Personification of the nation, and creates the image of a nation in like a male or female figure, so that people can imagine. People can imagine that yes, this is the image of Bharat Mata or any particular country, right? So this was the visualizing of nation, and in the next video we will complete our chapter with the nationalism and imperialism. I hope so you people are getting the chapter. If you people are facing any problem, then please do ask questions. Do ask questions, so that do ask your queries, so that you people will not lag behind. And you know that this chapter is very important, and if you leave any particular portion of any this chapter, then you will not be able to get the chapter. Reason is there because it is in the chain. It is in the chain. If you leave any one part of the chain, then you will not be able to get the chapter. If you are watching the video, then please do inform to your friends or your classmates, that those who are not watching the video, tell them to watch the video. This is one of the most important chapter, and watch the video from the starting if they are not seen, right? Only very less number of students are watching the video, I know, and I can note down that who can watch and how much time they have seen, right? So watch the video, make the extra question answers, and do ask questions if any doubt is there. If any doubt is there, please do ask question. Start making notes. Don't leave a single point, because your class is the board class. Your class is the board class, right? So it is very important for you. If you are doing other subject and if you are leaving the social science, then it will spoil your overall result. If any one subject will get less, you will get the less marks in any one subject, then it will affect your complete result. So again I am saying, if any problem, then do ask question, queries, clear your queries, don't keep with you, and start making questions. Till then, Stay home, stay safe, and be healthy. Thank you.